Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kako Maurice SPD, and it is always a pleasure for me to help you to enjoy learning English, to speak English fluently and correctly. So, as you can see, I am right now in Benin, and I would like to share this place with you. In Benin, we call this place Étoile Rouge. I can translate it in English to say Red Star. So this place is well known by all Beninese. So it is in the center of the city called Cotonou. So when you reach Cotonou, you can find this place. So thank you very much for staying with me, for following me. So discovering places. But the goal is not to help you to discover only places, but also to help you to learn and to practice English. So right now, I would like to share some knowledge with you in English in order to help you to improve in your learning. So we're going to learn first of all the different tenses in English. So we have the simple present, the present continuous, present perfect continuous. Simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Simple future, future perfect continuous. Immediate future, present conditional, past conditional, and imperative. So those are tenses we have in English. And I would like to conjugate the verb to eat, manger, and all those tenses for you in order to help you to practice and to learn English. So we have, first of all, the present tenses. Simple present. How to put the verb to eat, manger, at simple present? We're going to say, I eat. You eat. He eats. She eats. It eats. We eat. You eat. They eat. Present continuous. I am eating. You are eating. He is eating. She is eating. It is eating. We are eating. You are eating. They are eating. Present perfect. I have eaten. You have eaten. He has eaten. She has eaten. It has eaten. We have eaten. You have eaten. They have eaten. Present perfect continuous. I have been eating. You have been eating. He has been eating. She has been eating. It has been eating. We have been eating. You have been eating. They have been eating. Now we have past tenses. And the first tense we have is simple past. We're going to say, I ate. You ate. He ate. She ate. It ate. We ate. You ate. They ate. Past continuous. I was eating. You were eating. He was eating. She was eating. It was eating. We were eating. You were eating. They were eating. Past perfect. We're going to say, I had eaten. You had eaten. He had eaten. She had eaten. It had eaten. We had eaten. You had eaten. They had eaten. Past perfect continuous. I had been eating. You had been eating. He had been eating. She had been eating. It had been eating. we had been eating. Now I have the future tenses. And the first tense in future is the simple future. So we're going to say, I will eat. You will eat. He will eat. She will eat. It will eat. We will eat. You will eat. They will eat. Now I'm going to future continuous. To eat at future continuous, we're going to say, I will be eating. You will be eating. He will be eating. She will be eating. It will be eating. We will be eating. You will be eating. They will be eating. Now we have future perfect. We're going to say, I will have eaten. You will have eaten. He will have eaten. She will have eaten. It will have eaten. We will have eaten. You will have eaten. They will have eaten. And then we have future perfect. We're going to say, I will have eaten. You will have eaten. He will have eaten. She will have eaten. It will have eaten. We will have eaten. You will have eaten. They will have eaten. Now we're going to have future perfect continuous. How to put the verb to eat as the future perfect continuous? We're going to say, I will have been eating. You will have been eating. He will have been eating. She will have been eating. It will have been eating. We will have been eating. You will have been eating. And they will have been eating. Now I have immediate future. We're going to say, I'm going to eat. You are going to eat. He is going to eat. She is going to eat. It is going to eat. We are going to eat. You are going to eat. They are going to eat. Now we have present conditional. We're going to say, I would eat or I should eat. You would eat. He would eat. She would eat. It would eat. We would or should eat. You would eat. We would eat. They would eat. Now we have the past conditional. We're going to say, I would have eaten. You would have eaten. He would have eaten. She would have eaten. It would have eaten. We would have eaten. You would have eaten. They would have eaten. Now we have imperative. I'm going to say, eat and let's eat. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kako Maurice SPD, and it is always a pleasure for me to help you to enjoy learning English. So if you want to ask me some questions, you can contact me on WhatsApp on 9706 06 and 08 or 97 06 06 08. Thank you very much for following me. See you next time for another video. And let me say, we are in Benin, and this place we call it Étoile Rouge. In English, you can say red star. If you come in Benin and you are at Cotonou, you must know this place. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.